What's going on, dog training family? Shane here, owner of Bellum Canine Incorporated, and I got a crazy success story here. We have Oliver, and this is day one when he came in. We didn't get when he jumped up and he hit me in the face and it felt like he broke my nose, but he is a jumping bean, man. He's so crazy. I call him over, and he did good there, but man, he's just running all around absolutely everywhere, and he just doesn't have any control whatsoever. And with his previous history, we have no idea about him. And he was like a big risk for a flea away. Any chance he could get, he wouldn't recall and he'd run away. And this is 2 weeks later, fast forward into the transformation. He was dropped off for our premium VIP package, and I kept him for 2 weeks. I drove down to Santa Fe, and I stayed there for 2 weeks, and I built Oliver over that period of time. And we're in Tractor Supply. And you'll see here that I've got Oliver to the point that we do everything on leash, everything off leash. We built Oliver through positive reinforcement-based training, full spectrum training, utilizing all forms of operant conditioning. Yes, we do have multiple tools on him. This is early development into his training, but he is making phenomenal strides. He will no longer flee away. He knows all of his commands: sit, stay, down, come, place, heel. He knows to stay with handler. He knows he has built handler focus, where he keeps eyes on me. He can walk past other dogs, walk past other people, and I don't have to worry about him jumping up and breaking the bridge of my nose like he did on day one, it felt like. And I wanted to tell you guys, we only have 5 spots available, and if you're looking to have the most comprehensive dog training program done, our private session training program, as well as our premium VIP board and train where I come down and I personally train your dog, you can absolutely get into that, but we only have 5 spots available for this month, so you need to click the link below, and I can't wait to see you in your evaluation.